organic protein treatment, anybody? Stay tuned. I won't reveal the whole ingredients, but I will say majority ingredient is avocado and egg. If you like to know more, you definitely would have to book me. But so, moving on, this is the result of how our protein treatment looks once it's all mixed and blended. My client is natural and she's in need of to restore shine, to restore moisture. She's in need of protein in her hair. As you can see, it was super brittle until we placed our protein treatment on her natural hair. Her hair texture is 4C. And now it's time to wash it all out. Nicely done. Nicely done. As you clearly can see, our protein treatment added much more shine to her hair versus when she first sat in our chair. And then I just gave her a protective style, which is some braids, so she can be out on her way and enjoy the rest of her day. Link is in description to book me.